Yep, yep, it's back. They're back. Quote of the week, quote of the week. If you can't outplay them, outwork them. You know what time it is. It's time to plug into the machine. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Titano V2. Man, Titano has a brand new dashboard. Man, that thing looks pretty. Looks awesome, man. Wow. This is their V2 dashboard, all new layout, shows you the upgrades they've been working on behind the scenes, and they still boast that 102,483.58% fixed APY. I'm going to say that again, fixed APY. The current Titano price is holding around 1.5 cents. The liquidity is up. The Treasury is at 7.68 million. The chart, when I go over the deck screener, is up. They have 1,366 buys versus 301 sells. 24 hours and 15.33% gain within 24 hours. What I like about this is this play protocol that they implemented. This play protocol, look at this thing. Play protocol, $494,806.61. And when you go to look at the play instructions on the website, it says that there are 25 winners each Titano play round. And each Titano play round lasts 7 days. Look at this. So if you take this amount, where's my calculator? Here we go. Here we go. 494,806 and 61 cents. I got to throw that in, right? Divided by 25 people. $19,792 and some change, man, per person every 7 days. Now this overall amount might change, but man, wouldn't you like to be one of the ones that get almost 20 grand just for participating in a pool of a token that you're already holding? That's insane, man. Look, I got a 1 in 37,931 percent chance to be one of these 25 people, but I'm not worried about it. So the way it works is you put those that want to participate in the play protocol portion of the website, you just go ahead and you stake your Titano over here and you hit deposit, and there's a early exit fee. If you jump out of this thing before 16 days is up, they hit you with a 30% fee. So that's how that works. And then after the 16 days, you can go ahead and withdraw your full Titano deposit without any penalty. And you even get that bonus APY, APR that you had in there while you held it in there. So, hey, that's a win-win-win-win situation, man. Look at that. So, hey, this site may be where I'm gonna put my next bag. Initially, I thought the play protocol was the lottery, but the play protocol is like a group lottery where 25 winners will win this amount right here, or whatever it is, every 7 days. And the Titano lottery that's like a single ticket lottery system. So that's not out yet, but this play protocol is out. And I really like what the Titano team has done. 82,000 holders. The price is holding. Everything looks good on the website. The website is beautiful. So hey, who knows? I might put a little bit more into this. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. Hey, if you like this content, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Peace.